What's up, everybody? We are in a town called Thanh and I'm at the Vinpearl Hotel. Uh, we're gonna do a quick room tour of the executive suite. But, you know, as you walk in the door here, let me start you off with this little guest bathroom, powder room that's in here. Fairly straightforward stuff. Uh, New and clean and large for like a little guest powder room. Yeah, but it's nice, nicely appointed, nice material finishes. I like it. All right, and then we walk straight into this living space with the TV set up there, and it's huge. Like, look at this thing. Again, really well appointed, nice textures. I love when hotel rooms have textural variations, both by using color and the material itself. So even the walls are textured. It's a beautiful uh, center lighting piece, a chandelier. Is it a chandelier if it's that short? I don't know the definitions for these things. Anyway, yeah. Otherwise, a fairly straightforward living room, just large, and just really well decorated, well designed, I guess. So kudos to whoever their interior design team was, because this is well put together. But really, the highlight of this place, and you're gonna see this theme recurring throughout this room, is that view. We are looking out at the town of Thanh and beyond that, sort of the rocky outcrops and the formations in the distance. Actually, somewhere out there in the distance is Ninh, which is where they filmed Kong Skull Island. You know, where they got the cool rocky landscapes. It's here. It was filmed. Well, not here. This is Thanh, but it was filmed in Ninh, which is somewhere way out there in the distance. I think it's about 30-40 kilometers away, maybe a bit longer. I should have looked it up before I said that. If I'm wrong, sue me. Anyway, yeah, so we get a nice view here of the town itself, or the city of Thanh. Really beautiful. This vantage point we have. This hotel, believe it or not, is actually the tallest building in this city. I believe it goes up to 34 floors. Currently, we are in the 28th floor. Okay, so we'll just follow this really long window that goes all the way down, and as you can see, it just sort of goes all the way down into the bedroom space. The bedroom space actually has this sliding pocket doors that you can use to get yourself some privacy if you have guests here, but otherwise you walk straight into the master suite. It's a one bedroom. It's an executive suite with just one king bed. But look at the size of this bedroom. Like, just to give you an idea of size, let me position myself in this room. So this is me in front of the camera now, and the camera is up against where the window would be. But just look at the size of this thing. Huge. I really like it. And again, great textures, great use of color. The layout's lovely. And let me back up a little bit here and look at this surround. It's not quite even just a headboard. It's sort of like an entire headboard wall, which is fantastic, flanked by these two oil painting canvases. Again, really lovely stuff, nicely done. There's a vintage phone here, which is an interesting little touch. I wonder if it works. Oh, no. Well, yeah, I should have known that, I guess, because it's not connected to anything. It's just it's decor. Cool though, I like it. It'd mean like crazy if it actually worked. Yeah, so you've got that, and then another TV in here, looking out at the bed, and from there, we've got some luggage storage space there. This giant stand-up mirror, which I like, because, well, you know, I like looking at mirrors. And you've got more windows on this side. The windows sort of wrap around this whole space, and again, mad awesome views. Sort of no matter where you look out from in this room. And because it's an executive suite, we have a corner room, which means we have windows on three sides. So you've got the windows out that way going into the living room, and then the windows out this way from the bedroom, which extends out to the washroom, and it wraps around to this side. So windows on 3 sides, which is really cool. So we're in the washroom now, and you've got the toilet space, which is sort of separated by this glass door. If you want to, do your business in sound isolation, but still be seen. Someone can watch your facial expressions, just not smell and or hopefully hear it. You've got double sinks, beautiful marble vanity there, and again, giant mirror with the surround lighting. Windows that go around. I love this tub. I'm sure this would be fantastic with these windows open. Let's see if I can get one of these open for you. There we go. Okay, so just imagine sitting in this tub and taking a relaxed bath, looking out those 3 glass panels, which I guess at the same time people could be looking in at you. I don't know how tinted those windows are, but still, who cares? It's a view anyway. And you come around here. There's more windows, obviously. Sort of opens out to you can have more light coming in here, less privacy. And then there's a glass surround shower on this side if you just want that and not the giant bath. So yeah, just a rain shower head and a regular shower there. So that's again really nice, well appointed bathroom. I noticed there's bath salts in here, which is kind of exciting. I usually never use bathtubs in hotels, but I just might because there are bath salts. Okay, so you've seen the washroom, you've seen the bedroom, you've seen the fantastic living room out that way. And with that, I will bid you all goodbye and see you next time.